One of the most common questions I got from my subscriber is, "Hey Nick, I do want to build an email list, but I don't have money and budget for ads." And guess what? You don't need that. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can build a list with no money. So for a long time, when I first get started, because I know nothing about marketing. So there's a friend told me that, "Oh, you just go spamming other people's group." Oh, I said, well, okay, I will try. So I actually spend. So I go to other people's group and I spend there, and guess what? It doesn't work, right? So, and my account got shut down. So I was really frustrated. So for a long time, I don't think spamming is something work, right? Because you don't have trust, and the admin will kick you out, the Facebook will kick you out. It's really risky to spam. But one day I met a guy, and he generates more than 1 million in sales on Facebook. So I was really curious about how he did that. So I talked with him and said, "Oh, I post on Facebook." I said, "What? Are you spamming?" He said, "No, you don't have to spam. You can generate lots of sales just by posting content on Facebook group." So this is the profile funnel he shared with me. So the idea is, now Facebook hates spam, but what if you don't spam? What if you are sharing content that is valuable to your target audience? You teach them something, make them feel, "Oh, I want to learn more." Then that's the power of having a great content, right? So the first idea is you have to go to different group. You have to join as much group in your niche as possible, right? Then you have to create different pieces of valuable content, and you can start sharing in those groups. You don't have to post it all of a sudden, because Facebook may suspend your account because you post too frequently. So you want to maybe post 2 or 3 groups at the same time, but don't overdo it, right? And if the content is valuable and people want to learn more, guess what? They will either add you as a friend, or they will check your profile, right? And on your profile picture, you need to optimize your profile. So you can say, "Oh, if you want to learn about affiliate marketing, go to my free training," things like that. So when you have optimized profile, you can invite them to your list. So that's how you grow your subscriber base, just using Facebook group. And so when I first learned about Facebook group, I always think, okay, I need to start my own group. And it's a great way to start your own group. But the problem is, it will take a lot of effort and time to build a big group. So the idea is, because there are so many existing groups out there, so all you have to do is you can go there, and those are all the people in your niche hanging out there. So you can just go there and leverage the existing traffic over there. That's how you start a business. That's how you generate traffic without spending lots of money on ads. So let's recap. You go to different group and you share content which is valuable to the group. And you have to have some hook in your content, right? So they will check your profile they may even want to become your friend, or they want to learn more from you. Then you invite them on your profile to your list. So that's the way you build a list with no money. So I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.